if you use this approach, you don't need a hierarchy or a historical institution. You have an immediate access, that as you did, just direct access. You don't need any kind of priest or hierarchy or anything in between you and the experience. It's a direct experience, and nobody can. And it's not a matter of belief. You see, Jung was very concerned that people are told what to believe in some traditions, like the creeds. You're given a list of this is what we believe. These kind of experiences are not based on belief. Belief can fade. Belief can be undermined by a life crisis that demolishes your belief or your faith. But when you've had an experience like this, it's not a question of belief. That's why when Jung was asked, do you believe in God? He said, I don't believe, I know. Because when you've had this kind of experience, it's a knowing, and you don't need you don't need a Bible or priests or anything. That's the value of it.